India's masala chai has made its way around the world, with every country adapting its own local and regional tastes. It can be found in many variations here in Australia at pretty much any cafe, restaurant or coffee house. To cut through the myths of the chai story, I'm here with Melissa Edyvean, one of the creators of Australia's very own award-winning Bondi Chai. How are you, Melissa?
I'm great, thanks for having me, Jason.
So what is a chai latte?
Chai is a tea-based drink. The latte confuses people. There's actually no coffee in it.
So chai latte versus chai tea versus chai, what's the difference?
Well, chai means more like chai masala. So the beautiful spices that you get in your chai latte or chai tea. Chai tea, hot water. Chai latte, nice creamy milk.
And it's such a process though, right? Because it takes a little bit of time to steep out those flavours. How does a busy restaurant or cafe in Sydney manage to get away with doing that?
It's a real challenge for them, and really it's only since chai powders and syrups have come on board that they're able to get a chai out now.
So your chai is in a powder form. Is there any particular reason you chose that profile?
We're able to tweak all the spices so that was, little nuances in the flavours, and so it gets you, and it's really hard to stuff it up, which is great for cafes.
Even better.
Yeah.
So is there any particular health aspects to drinking a chai versus, say, a cup of tea or a regular cup of coffee?
Well, the major difference is the caffeine levels. So chai latte is a very low caffeine drink. So for pregnant mums or breastfeeding, they miss their coffee, so they can still get a latte without that caffeine.
And still very comforting too, right?
Oh, I love the cinnamon. I mean, and we've developed our own little hug mugs because you just want to, on a nice warm wintry day, you just want to bring up the cinnamon and the spices just warm you up.
Where did your love of chai come from?
Well, I'm from a special group of people that only love tea. We're not coffee drinkers. So when I found chai latte, I just fell in love with it straight away.
Yeah. Now, you don't just need to be sticking to like a hot chai or a warm chai. You can actually go cold, right?
Yeah, you can have a lot of fun with it.
Oh, lucky for me, I've been trialling a couple of recipes. Cool ones. So because we're going cold and I like to, I'm a bit of a cheapskate, I like to add ice to mine.
Yep.
So it makes it last longer. So a little bit of ice. To that, I'm going to add some maca powder. You know about maca powder?
I do, amazing stuff.
Teaspoon of chia seeds, a great source of insoluble fibre, makes you feel fuller for longer. And I like that texture too. We're going to add some straws. Hey, now I like using Milk-Damia. I love the nutty characteristics of the milk.
Yeah, it tastes great with chai too.
All right, it's a good blend,
I think so.
Nutty. Now I've chosen the cinnamon chai latte.
Yep.
I like the flavour profile of cinnamon, macadamia nuts, strawberries. You could add banana if you liked. We add our powder. We've got ice, we've got chia, we've got maca. All we need is a party.
Let's get it going.
All right. Are you ready for a taste sensation?
Absolutely.
All right, let's do this. Hey, just quickly, what's the craziest place you've exported to?
Well, we've exported to a lot, but our proudest one is India.
Wow, teaching the Indians how to make a chai.
It's
Good for you.
pretty special. Gee, that looks great.
All right, looks great, but is it any good? Cheers.
Oh, yum.
Oh, that's worth an Insta shot.
Absolutely.
So what should we call it?
I don't know. How about the Supa-Fruita-Damia?
Oh, I was thinking let's not share it, but hey, I like that. Supa-Fruita-Damia. Cheers.